So this is the VIOFO A329S and this is the first dashcam in the world to get triple STARVIS-2 sensors. So this dashcam shoots 4K front and a 2K resolution for the rear and the cabin camera along with supporting HDR on all 3 channels. This is also the world's first dashcam to get a fisheye cabin camera giving you an ultra-wide 210-degree field of view. Additionally, you can also get a telephoto camera which gives you a 4x optical zoom. This dashcam supports memory cards up to 512GB, but you can also plug in an SSD up to 4TB for near unlimited storage. You can also connect this dashcam directly to your smartphone via Type-C data cable and transfer videos the fastest way. Along with it, you can also connect this dashcam wirelessly to your Android car system by installing the VIOFO app. This dashcam also supports Wi-Fi 6 standards, which means you can wirelessly transfer a 4K video file within a matter of less than 10 seconds. Additionally, this is the first dashcam to get a multiplex video output, which means you can combine the various different dashcam views into a single video file. Another special feature is that this gets a 8-meter rear camera cable. So this is a coaxial cable which is much thinner than regular camera cables and provides less electronic interference. In terms of parking mode, this is the first dashcam to give you a low power impact detection mode, which means you can run this camera in a parking mode up to 15 days. This camera also gets a super night vision which will provide the brightest parking mode time-lapse videos. The best thing about this dashcam is that this gets a full 2-year warranty along with a free pickup and drop service to your doorstep in case of any warranty issues. Last but not the least, this dashcam is compatible with practically any car, even those cars which have a near vertical windshield. All in all, this is the ultimate and this is the complete package dashcam which you should go ahead and grab right now.